GM. My name is Rakesh. I am a software engineer. If you're a dev, then this is for you. Web3 is super exciting. So today we are going to build on Algorand. Rakesh, why Algorand? What is so special about Algorand? Algorand is an energy efficient, quantum secure, single layer blockchain and instant finality, consistently high throughput and very low fees. If you're totally beginner, don't worry. We will start from very basic and on each level we will increase our level. So everything will go step by step. Today we will build a simple project which will cover wallet connection and after successfully wallet connect a simple hello world transaction. Rakesh, what is Algorand? Algorand is a blockchain platform just like Ethereum or Solana, but with some unique features. It helps build decentralized application dApps and do fast, secure, and very low cost transactions. Imagine a giant notebook like blockchain. Everyone can see and write on it, but no one can secretly change what's already written. Algorand is one such notebook, but it's designed to be fast, secure, and eco-friendly. Key features of Algorands are fast transaction, low fees, eco-friendly, secure and trusted, and smart contracts. There are many wallets like Pera, MyAlgo, etc. But we will going to use Pera. Let me give you a quick overview of the project, how it will going to look like at the end. So let's get on the screen. There are certain prerequisites which you will require as we move ahead in the project. So Node.js, install Node.js if you have not installed it, download. So based on your machine configuration, install Node package, Node.js, and yeah, so we will be having two screens, first screens and second screens. So the first screen will have a connect wallet button. As the wallet is successfully connected, wallet address will appear on the screen, and after that, the second button will appear, which is sign hello world transaction. So after clicking this button, our transaction will be executed from our side and will be registered on the Algorand. So, what tools we will be using in the for creating the whole front end? So, React and the language we'll be using, which is TypeScript, and the wallet integration we will be using Pera Wallet to integrate, and we will also using SDK, which is Algo SDK. Open any folder in your VS Code. I have created Algorand Pera. After that, install White. Why we are not using create React app? Because that is already deprecated. Nowadays, people use White. White has a good speed. So we will also install npm create White latest. As we want to install all the webpack in our Algorand Para, so we will be using dot. So we will choose React TypeScript, and here we go. We have all the required folders, src, and all. So now let's install our all packages. So now this will create a folder which is package lock.json, which will have all the dependencies in our project. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds based on your machine configurations. So here it is, package lock.json. Now, let's say we got all the folders successfully installed, npm run dev. Here it is. Yeah, so we got all the package successfully running. Now let's remove the unwanted code. We don't want this. Yeah, here we are. Let's create another terminal to install our remaining dependency, which is Algo SDK and Pera Connect. So npm install Algo SDK and our Pera Wallet Connect. Here we go. It will take around minimum 10 seconds. And in the meanwhile, if you want to check SDKs, okay, you can check this out. Feel free to check this out. Here you will find all the code, how you can install, how you can put in your code. Either it can be JavaScript, your React, your Angular, your Next.js, everywhere. Same with the Pera wallet also. So, okay, now we can ignore that. Now, let's write code for our connect wallet button. Let's create a connect wallet button on our front end. So, parenthesis, let's make a new division. As you can see on our front end, which has header and a button. So let's make a header which says H1, which is Algorand plus Pera Wallet. Now let's create a button, which is connect Pera Wallet. So after clicking this button, we want to trigger a function which is connect wallet. So let's make a on click function connect wallet. So now let's create this function in our app. So let's make a cons connect wallet. Now let's write the logic. So first let's import the Para wallet and SDKs in our application. So import Algo SDK from Algo SDK and import Para wallet from Para wallet connect. You will get the suggestion automatically. So now let's create a new instance of Para wallet. Para wallet, then here it is. Let me check Para wallet connect done. So now let's write a function. Now to avoid the error, let's put this in a try catch block. Now cons out of lot of accounts, we need to select our Para wallet connect. Para wallet dot connect. As this will be asynchronous function, so let's write here asynchronous, and here we will write await so that it will not give any error. Uh, Also, let's define a new state which is const accounts, not account, single account, and then set account new state. In starting, it will be null. When we connect our wallet, the address will be put in this account. And as we can see, this is TypeScript, so it is mandatory to define the data type. So now let's put that account. Now the out of lot of accounts, let's put our first account which is zero. So array follows a zero based index. So let's put our first account in our account. So Let's write a catch. Let's log this out in our inspect. Couldn't connect to wallet. Let's define specific error here. Now let's put E also here. Let's be more descriptive. Error and error. So is there anything with that? Let's format this out. Awesome. So now the connect wallet logic becomes successful. Now let's see how design next thing. So let's do one thing. As we can see, the button and wallet address on the next screen. So let's do one thing. If my account is there, show the account address and the hello world transaction. If it is not connected, show the connect Pera wallet. So let's so as you can see, we have an account state. So we can write in the return. Let's put this in a ternary operator. Account. This is a first condition. This is a second condition. So if account is already present, show me that account address. Put it in a para tag. Connected our address, which is account, and we also want to show the button, right? So let's put another button, which is sign hello world transaction. Yeah. So if my wallet is connected, show me address. If not connected, show me my connect button. Here it is. Is there anything we are missing? Return. So let's beautify this. Display. Let's do this into flex. We can use Tailwind, but as we can see, it is a basic application. So let's stay on the ground by writing plain CSS column. Then what we can do is justify content center. Justify content center. Then let's do align item center. Align items. Okay, done. So is there anything we can do in the return? Hmm, yeah, so let's write a function for hello world transaction. When a user on click on this, let's give the name of a function is sign hello hello transaction. Good. Hello transaction. So hello transactions. Yeah, sounds good. Let's write a function for this. So let's put if my account is not there, show me alert that please connect to your wallet. So if my account is not there, then show me alert which says please connect your Pera wallet first and then return. Also give me console error as well, right? Console error is wallet not connected, account is undefined. Awesome. So let's define our algo SDK instance. So const algo d. Let's write algo d sounds good. Then new instance which says algo. I think we've defined imported. Yeah, algo SDK. Then what is the function algo dv2? Now first argument will be empty. Uh, Second argument will be a testnet of algo node, which is HTTPS test. If I'm not wrong, testnet API algo node, then cloud. Yeah, correct. Then the third argument will be empty string. Now let's write a function for transaction. Let's write a short form, then algo SDK dot make payment transaction with suggest params from object. Yeah, this is right. So let's pass an object which is sender. In our case, this will be our own account. And what are the other things we have to pass? Sender, receiver, account. Yeah, got it. So receiver, receiver also will have my same account. Then next, the third was amount. Amount will be zero. Then our note, our hello world text, which is let's encode this first new text encoder, use it and encode our string, which is hello world. And the fifth parameter will be suggest params, which is let's define here our suggest params, which is const suggested. Okay, this has to be here. Suggested params. What will be our suggested params? Will be algo b, then get transactions params, get transactions params, and then initiate that do. So this will be asynchronously integrated with algod. So let's write await what is what error says. It's in synchronous. So let's write a sync here. Yeah. So is there any error? No. So now let's put all this in transactions. TXM. So what is the here we get? TXM. TXM. This is the transaction. So let's put S, that the array of object, which let's put our first TXN, then we the second is signer. Signer will be us. So let's define our account. Now, our next step would be to sign transaction using our Pera Wallet. So now let's put this in a try catch to avoid any error. So await, this will be asynchronously. Pera Wallet. I think the W, yeah, so W is capital. Pera Wallet, then sign transaction. Why I'm not getting any suggestion? Is there any error with it? Yeah, everything correct. Transaction. So let's put a txns semicolon and let's write a catch, catch our error. Let's put this in a console. Sign fail, and then our exact error. What this says, cannot find Pera Wallet. Why Pera Wallet? Time transactions. Time. Yeah, we mean okay. So W is small, and also let's write another state which is let's write another state which is message. Message that message. Use state, then this is going to be empty string in the initial stage. And also we can write this in our return. So if my message string is not empty, then only show on display in which tag let's put h2, which is okay, message. Yeah, sounds looks good. Looks good. Also, we can write here set message, put hello world on my display after my transaction is successful. So let's write hello world to semicolon. And is there anything we can else? Let me see. Looks good. Save. Then format. After formatting, let's again save. And looks like our instance got stopped. npm run dev. So localhost 5137. Let's paste that link in the browser. And here we go. Now let's connect a Pera wallet. Here it is a QR code. I will connect with my phone. So if you connect with your phone, you will find the top right icon, which is a scan. Scan this QR code. Now you will find a button which is connect. As soon as you click on the connect, your app will get connected and the wallet address will appear on the screen. So this is my wallet address, and as you can click on the sign hello world transaction. Yeah, so the same way you do the transaction with the wallet. Till now, we did wallet integration and did a first transaction. I will upload the code on GitHub. Check description, you will find a link for sure. And congratulations to each one of you. Would love to see you in another one, and we will build something more challenging. Thank you so much for watching.